Great news for our Medicare people, for Medicare beneficiaries. And if you follow me very long, I don't have a lot of good news. But the Medicare Prescription Payment Program, the acronym is M3P, is good news because it will allow you to spread out the cost of your medication, spread out the cost over the year. So I had a lady yesterday, and the cost of her drugs was going to be about $2,017. That's not good news for her, right? She's got to come up with $217. Edit that. Yep. $2,017. So it was a lot. But the good news is it was all from one drug. The good news is she doesn't have to go to the pharmacy and pay that amount to get that. She can spread it out in equal payments over the year. I think it's like $160 a month. Now, signing up for the M3P program is not easy because, as you can imagine, insurance companies don't really want you to do that because they got to bankroll that. They have to administer that. It costs them money. So they don't let it be convenient and easy for us insurance agents to just sign you up when we enroll you in a plan because they don't want you to do it. So we are telling you that when you get your ID card from your insurance company, either your Medicare Advantage card with drugs or your standalone drug plan, call them. Call the customer service number and enroll. And it's going to take them, I think, 48 hours to show up in the system. So you want to do that immediately. You can do it anytime during the year, but ideally you do it before your plan starts in January. Then when you go to the pharmacy, it will show up in the computer at the pharmacy, and they'll say, oh, Sylvia's on the M3P, the Medicare Prescription Payment Program, which means I will pay $0 at the pharmacy. $0. They will give me my medications. Then the insurance company is going to send me a bill, and they're going to send me the breakdown of what it's going to look like for the year, and it's going to say how much I owe each month, and I will pay the insurance company, not the pharmacy. So let's say you heard about this, but you never signed up for it, and you got a new prescription. It's Eliquis. It's $500 a month, and now you're caring about this because you used to be on cheap drugs. So you go to the pharmacy, and they're like, yeah, we need $700 for all your prescription. And you're like, what? Because in the past, you've been on cheap drugs. The pharmacist is supposed to alert you to the M3P program, tell you, hey, go call your insurance company. But the pharmacist can't sign you up there. In 2026, the pharmacist is allowed to sign you up. But right now, the pharmacist should, maybe they're too busy, but they should tell you, hey, call your insurance company and sign up. And come back. They have 48 hours to get you enrolled. Come back in 48 hours. I'll fill your prescription. You can take it and pay $0 at the pharmacy. So like I said, the insurance company's not a big fan of this. The government foisted this on them, but it's going to be great for people that take a lot of drugs. It helps it doesn't save you money, but it helps your cash flow, right? Rather than coming up with a lot of money in January, it helps you spread it out evenly through the year. Now, if I'm on one drug plan and then I switch, let's say I moved to Pennsylvania, so now I got to get a new drug plan. I can't enroll with the new drug plan until I pay off the payment with the old drug plan. So that could be a problem, a cash flow problem for some people. Just keep that in mind. You can't go on the M3P program with another drug company until you paid off the first drug company. So when you have questions about that, you'll call your insurance company, the customer ID number, whoever has your drug coverage. And please tell your friends also, because nobody's really advertising this. Like I said, they don't really want you to go on it. So spread the news for your family and friends that take a lot of drugs. This option, spreading it out over the whole year, could really help a lot of people if they only knew about it. So thanks for watching. If you learned something, hit the follow button. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.